This is a tutorial for a split heel climb into split position. I'm not entirely sure of the name, but it is just a split heel variation because it's just a widening of the legs basically. So once you're upside down, you're going to get your legs as wide as possible. So first I want you to try it from the floor, as always, just for safety. And also it's good to prepare your legs before you go into this move. So you just want to start as close to the pole as possible. Lift up, so it's just going to be the instep that goes on the pole, and then you pull in your arms to try and get the pole into the armpit of this bottom arm. So when you're up the pole, it'll be a bit easier because you've got more to put your hips. So just try and find that position a couple of times, just from the floor. Try both legs as well. You might surprise yourself, one leg might be a little bit more loose than the other. So you're there, as you're lifting that top leg up, you're trying to find the back of that armpit, and that's going to give you more secure grip, because then you could take that top hand off as well. I like to end this combination going to an outside leg hook to a flat line, then through a cradle and then off. So I'm going to show you all that and discuss it, but of course while you're training it you can just go into that move and then see how you get on. So let's talk about up the pole. You should definitely already have a split and your split heel climb. And if you haven't got your splits, this is a good way to work on them. So we're going to go sterilize it out. So step back, right foot on, right hand, left hand. I'm going to extend that left leg up, pull with both arms, lift, instep goes on. I'm going to take the legs nice and wide, try and find that armpit. There, hand off, hand on, lift, bottom hand comes down, inside the bottom leg comes round into a flat line. This leg, this free leg comes back on itself, through this position, and down. And it's just a nice little combination that you can do either on spin or on static, but the split, mainly for me, is a training tool just to make sure that my legs are getting as loose as possible. So go enjoy.